hello children, and don't forget to
Don't forget to laugh.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright, let's give him a hand.
And turn on post notifications. I have to turn this thing down.
It's an emergency thing.
We're all gonna die.
Alright. We just got our presidential alert. Oh, Mr. Salty coming from all the way from the bottom of the ocean. Alright, how did you solve? Oh, I want to write review on here. Review. Okay. Calculate the unit rate in miles per hour. Sally walked 3. Okay, what would you do, Mr. Salty?
So I did 3/4. 3/4 divided by 1/4.
Divided by 1/4. Why did you divide? Go ahead.
He divided because you have to find out how many times 3/4 goes into 1/4, which would require division.
Well, but what is it called? What are we looking for, guys? Unit rate. Everybody say unit rate.
Unit rate.
Okay, so when you're finding the unit rate, you're going to divide. Okay? So 3/4 divided by 1/4. Okay, help us out.
So then we're gonna switch it, and we're gonna do 3/4 times 4/1.
Okay, what's that great word that starts with an R? That mathy word?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal. Okay, and these 4s we can divide by 4. Okay? 3/1. So, it's 3 miles per hour.
So then it's
Yeah, instead of 12/4 here, I would cross it out and say 3 miles per hour. But it's not 3 miles per hour. It's not hours per mile. Sorry about that, guys.
It's okay.
You're so nice. All right, let's give him a hand. Salty. All right. Now, I want someone to maybe tell me, hands down, I want someone to tell me what method did I use, maybe, call it a method, in terms of multiple choice. So there's a multiple choice here. How did I think of the multiple choice? Yes?
We wanted to see if we would just look at the right answer and circle it, or if we would actually take the time to go through them and read the labels.
Okay, I wanted to make sure you read the labels. But did you guys know that I actually noticed that I actually did the problem before I looked at the multiple choice answers?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that's how I recommend you guys do multiple choice. Because multiple choice, they're going to take the most common mistakes, right? And look at them and put those in the multiple choice answers. So that can really confuse you. Math should not be a guessing game. You should actually know how to do the problem. Try not to look at the answers. And then once you have your answer, see if it's there. If you're not able to do it, then you can see, well, maybe help yourself to guess better. But it's much better if you know how to do the problem. Okay, so number 2. Come on down. Well, her hand was first.
My hand was.
She put her hand up like really super fast. Oh, come on. Oh, wait, this is a white line. I need to change the color to another line. Okay. Well, because I want you to actually be able to see it. Hey, there you go. It worked.
Hey,
Okay. Do you have a
let's
name,
get it,
young lady?
please.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. All right, Kit Kat is here. Kit Kat is here. Help us out.
To simplify 3/4 over 2, you have to divide 3/4 over 2.
Right, so you want to rewrite it? You want to pick a color?
Orange.
Kit Kat is orange. Okay. 3/4, how do we rewrite it as a division problem?
To rewrite it, you, instead of 2 over 1, it's 1 over 2.
3/4.
Multiplied.
We want to write it as a division problem.
Divided by 2.
2, or 2 over 1,
Yeah.
right? Okay. And then, you're skipping steps there, times.
1 over 2.
Right. Okay. So that makes 3
8.
8s. All right. Is that choice here? Yay, it is.
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Kit Kat. So again, if you guys look carefully, if you look at the answer choices before actually doing the problem, you can confuse yourself instead of helping yourself. Because look, 3 and 2, 6 over 4, well that looks reasonable if you didn't remember to do this, to change this upside down first, right? It's not the first time, stop. So you want to really be careful. 1 1/2. That would have been 6/4 reduced. What about 8/3?
No. Yeah, you just flip.
That would have been upside down,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right. So who wants to do number 3? Let's see. Let's pick a random person and see if they want to do it. Darren, do you want to do it? Yes. No. Okay. You want to pick somebody? Nadine. All right. Do you have a code name? No code names. All right, Nadine. All right. Okay, go ahead.
So
Mason works at Starbucks. Good for him. Last week
Poor.
he earned $140 for 10 hours of work. How much will Mason make this week if he works for 45 hours? All right, tell us how you did it.
So the first thing that I did was I divided $140 by 10 hours, and then I got
Okay, why did you divide 140 by 10 hours?
to get the unit rate to see how much money he gets per hour, and
For
then
1 hour. Hold on a second. So 100, but we need to write a proportion for the whole situation, right? So your first proportion is 140 over 10, okay?
and then I got $14,
Okay.
and
And
then
then-
I did $14 times 45
Times 45.
because
But hold on. So this is an algebraic,
equation.
not equation, algebraic expression. Everybody say algebraic expression.
Algebraic expression.
Some people didn't say it. Everybody say algebraic expression. That's much better. All right. So this isn't. It doesn't have an equal sign, but is this all we need to know here? First, we find the unit rate, and then we multiply it times 45. What do you think? Do we agree with this, everybody? I agree. Okay. So, do we want to let her do number 4, or should we let someone else?
I don't think.
Oh, let her go. Okay.
Okay.
So go ahead.
Okay, so then you multiply $14 times 45 hours, and I got $63 for 45 hours.
63.
630.
Yeah.
630.
Yeah.
30.
What?
I thought I heard 63, but I'm far away. So it was 630, huh? Yeah. All the way from from the Wild Wild West, we got the Coyote.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Stan ran 9 miles. How many kilometers did he run? Okay. If 1 mile equals that many kilometers. Go ahead.
So, since Stan ran 9 miles, you have to multiply.
We want to put a proportion from the miles to kilometers. So how do we do that?
You do 9.
No, from miles to kilometers.
1.61 divided by 9.
Okay, so 1.61, you put it over. So it doesn't matter which you put on top and which you put on bottom, okay? As long as you keep it the same. So for every 1.61 kilometers, we have 1 mile. So now we want to know how many kilometers. So is kilometers or miles on top here?
Kilometers.
Kilometers, right, good. So we don't know how many kilometers, so that's going to be our missing value. And how many miles
9.
did he run? 9. Okay.
9.
Do you guys see how I got that? It's like a question mark. How many for 9? How many for 9? Are you sure you get it? Are
Yeah.
you sure you're with me?
Yeah.
He's with me. Good, good, good. Okay, so how many miles did Stan run? Do you see how to solve this? Or there's different ways. So, Mr. Coyote, how would you solve this?
I would 9 times 1.61.
Why?
And then
Because what?
to show how many miles were for 1 mile.
Right,
I mean,
but how did you
yeah,
decide to multiply times 9?
because you're going from kilometers to miles.
Right, but in this equation, how did you decide to multiply times 9? Anybody help him out? Sophia.
Because every 1 mile equals 1.61 kilometers. So if there's 9 miles, then 9 times 1.61 would give you the answer.
That's correct, but I want you to look at this proportion. I want you to look at this equation here and tell me, when you're solving this, why would you know to multiply times 9?
Oh.
Go ahead.
Because 1 times 9 equals 9. So
That's right, because we're going 9
Yeah.
times bigger here. So 9 times bigger here also. Do you guys see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does x equal? We're going to multiply it and we get what, Sophia?
14.
14.
I was gonna say that.
Point
49.
49. Cool, let's give him a hand. Alright. Boom. Here's
Hey, sisters.
Melissa uses a rate table to keep track of how much she earns compared to the time she
Exactly
works.
what to do now.
So this person here, in 3 hours, worked that much. So what would you do to solve this to fill in the table? That's what the problem says. To fill in the
You
table.
divide it. Divide
What?
it by 3.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Does
Good
anybody
job.
have that number if you divide that by 3? $6.25. Very good. 75 cents is 3/4 anyway. So you take a third
Yeah.
of that, and that's 1/4.
Mhm.
All right.
And
1.5 hours. Uh-oh.
uh-oh.
You can't divide 25 cents into a half, can you? So we're going to have to round up.
Mm-mm.
All right. What do we have? What's half of $6.25?
Oh, $3.
Yeah. And 12.5. So
And
let's say
yeah.
$3.13. So 6.25 plus 3.13. Everybody write this on your paper
Oh.
if you haven't
Oh.
Oopsies.
9.38. Okay, how do we get the 2 hours?
And then you keep adding up.
Well, we could, but
Yeah,
there's an easier
yeah.
way than adding.
Good. Yeah, it's an easier way.
Nadine?
You multiply 6.25 by 2.
That's right.
Yeah.
Since that's the unit rate, we multiply times 2, so we get 1250.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you
Then
add,
we're gonna add, yes.
yeah. And it's 15.63.
Excellent. 15.63. Let's give the coyote a big round of applause.
Bye.
Okay, so Kit Kat wants to come up yet again. Come on,
Again?
Kit Kat.
Insanity!
Did you write that down? Oh, just pause and wait.
Hi, children.
Okay, Kit Kat is back for another round.
Back again.
Of
For
this.
the third time.
Pick a color, any color. What?
White.
Orange. Okay.
White.
Melissa's unit rate. Okay, what is Melissa's unit rate?
$6.25
Okay, how did you figure that out?
by dividing $18.75 by 3.
Right, and we already have it in the chart.
Yeah,
But
that too.
this is not quite correct, is it? Because we need to write $6.25
Per hour.
per hour. Write it down. Everybody. Mhm. Melissa is going to babysit for 6 hours. How much does she make, or will she charge? Go ahead, Miss Kit Kat.
I multiplied $6.25 by 6, and I
Go ahead.
got $37.50 for 6 hours.
$37.50?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay.
So that's not per hour. That's how much she made. Excellent. Yes. Yes. All right, last one. Who wanted to do 10? All right. So, and your name is?
I don't care.
Her name is I don't care. Okay.
Oh.
All right. How did you do this problem, young lady?
So, since 1/4 and 1/3 is a complex fraction, you can simplify that. So what I did was I made 4 and 1/3 improper fraction.
Okay. So how many thirds are in 4 wholes?
What?
If we change
I
4
just-
into thirds.
I just did 13 over 3.
Right, but how did you get 13 over 3?
Oh, because I multiplied 4 times 3, and that's 12, and then I added 1.
Okay, so for 4 wholes, that's 12 thirds.
Yeah.
And you also have 1/3 left over, so that makes 13
Uh-huh.
thirds. You need to understand how it works. Okay, so now we rewrite it 1/13 thirds equals 7 over x. Okay.
And then you could get rid of the 1 and just make it 13 over 3.
Mm-mm.
No,
No, because that's 1 divided by 13 over 3.
Yeah.
So if we had 1
Yeah.
divided by 13 over 3, that would make
Oh,
1 times
13 over
3 over 13.
Oh.
So it's the reciprocal. So that's an
Oh.
interesting way to solve this problem, though. I like that. So even though you missed a step there, but watch. So therefore, we rewrite it now. So now, instead of 1/13 thirds, we have 3/13 equals 7 over x. Okay, now how would you solve it?
I didn't solve it that way.
So,
Well, now you don't have an even number to multiply, so we would have to cross multiply.
yeah.
Okay? So 7 times 13 is
91,
91 equals
3.
3x.
Yeah.
Alright, and then we divide by 3 on both sides.
And that would be,
Doesn't come out even.
yeah.
So it's how many? It's 30
30
and
and
1/3 equals x.
Then you could also check it.
That's correct.